exploring the delicious world of spaghetti bolognese. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only interesting but also delicious. We're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, spaghetti bolognese. This dish is a favorite for many around the world, and understanding its components can be quite fascinating. So, let's get started and unravel the secrets behind this beloved meal. Spaghetti bolognese is a classic Italian-inspired dish that has gained international fame. At its core, it consists of spaghetti, long, thin pasta, topped with a hearty bolognese sauce. This sauce is traditionally made from a mix of ingredients including ground meat, usually beef or a combination of beef and pork, tomatoes, onions, carrots, celery, and various herbs and spices. It's a rich, flavorful sauce that simmers for several hours to develop its full depth of flavor. Despite its association with Italian cuisine, spaghetti bolognese as we know it is actually more popular outside of Italy. In Italy, a similar sauce called ragu alla bolognese originates from Bologna. This sauce is typically served with tagliatelle, a whiter pasta, rather than spaghetti. The international version of spaghetti bolognese has been adapted over time to suit different tastes, leading to various modifications in ingredients and preparation methods. Some might add red wine, milk, or even bacon to enhance the flavor. Spaghetti bolognese has become a staple dish in many households around the world. Its popularity can be attributed to its comforting flavors, ease of preparation, and adaptability. It's a dish that can be made in large batches and enjoyed over several meals, making it perfect for busy families. Furthermore, it's often one of the first dishes that people learn to cook, marking it as a significant culinary milestone in many people's lives. To make an authentic and delicious spaghetti bolognese, here are a few tips. Use quality ingredients. Opt for high-quality ground meat and fresh vegetables. Simmer slowly. Allow the sauce to simmer for a few hours. This slow cooking process helps develop a richer flavor. Season well. Don't forget to taste and season your sauce with salt, pepper, and herbs like basil or oregano to enhance its flavor. Serve with Parmesan. A sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese on top adds an extra layer of richness. We hope this exploration of spaghetti bolognese has not only made you hungry but also enriched your understanding of this beloved dish. It's a perfect example of how food can transcend cultural boundaries and become a global favorite. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, spaghetti bolognese is a rewarding dish to make and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more tasty topics in the future. Happy cooking, everyone!